They're shooting paradropper. Nice. Fuck, I'm getting shot at.
We gotta land.
Get ready.
That was a shot.
Oh, that's great. Spotted.
That was good. He's stuck in the little rice things. Almost. I think they saw us. They still can't hit. They still can't hit. Fuck, it's pulling up.
Shoot it! Oh, yes!
Stay, he got away. He missed.
Okay, we'll go find him. Oh, I see it. Ooh,
It's getting hit by someone.
throw grenades on it.
Drag in.
Okay, I'm ready.
Drop.
Ooh,
3 kills!
we might be able to go get it.
Everybody.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use satchel on this.
Nope.
They're all arriving here. Oh, fuck! That grenade just killed 5 guys.
Watch out for my grenade, Oh my god. Turn into the one.
Down. You got the guy, got me?
Okay, I'll kill myself with Shadow.
Do it.
Dead.
You got a
I'm
timer
going
on
to
it?
get you in a... Yeah, I have a timer. I'm dead, but I have a timer.
There you
There we
go.
go!
5 seconds left. Goodbye, you're welcome.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can't turn around. Oh, what a bitch! Excuse me? Not allowed.
I was here. Top of the building.
Top of the building. Yeah,
He failed the building.
he did. Hey. Yep.
Nice.
God damn. Oh fuck, they're putting in the building we're in.
Oh my god.
It's literally on our front.
Nice pros. No! Come on!
I'll get you up, Hold on, one second.
I'm here.
Can you watch the back of it?
Yeah.
Pick him up. Oh, they're spicy.
Oh, yeah.
Fucker get hit. Squadron down. Guy and shit. I think it was something with, yeah, the tail that glitched out. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Okay, there's a guy.
Where am I? This, a little forward, yep.
Oh!
I got the pilot.
Ah!
Oh, you jumped too late.
You got shot by someone else.
No, he made it. He made it. Get your SKS ready.
Okay, you want me to shoot one in the flame?
Killed that paratrooper by the
To the left of the flame.
Got him.
Yes!
Yes, you go ahead, little bitch.
It's,
End screen. I want the end screen.
I don't know. Can I blow up this heli?
Yes! Holy shit, dude. Was that a friendly heli?
It was.
Reload, you're good, you're
Reloading,
good.
reloading. Remember, he's got that guy in right gun potentially.
Potentially, but he hasn't started shooting yet. See ya. They both blow up? I think they both blew up, yeah.
I asked, but I already had the answer. We're gonna be in a little crossfire here. Oh my god!
No!
Oh no!
He's driving to the west.
Good, you're good. There's a guy underneath it. Taking
We're
shots.
committing, we're committing. Yeah, I knew you were gonna get between the bridges.
Oh, we're gonna hit him.
We're good, we're good.
Okay.
Oh, that was a fucking shot, dude.
That was
Nice.
a shot.
Like, dropping out. Oh, shit, I'm dead.
I'm also dead.
You got it, you got it.
So, the guy who killed me, I shot him in the face with the round. When it blew up this fun truck. Okay.
I missed.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
He got me? Oh, I'm off the bridge, dude. Dude, that... You're off the bridge too?
Yeah, I fell off.
Oh, no.
Comedy of errors. I broke his wheels. Oh.
That's hilarious. Yeah, I got roadkill. What's your excuse?
Gravity. Fuck, I fucked
Do you have any more?
it up. Yeah, one more. I might just pull my shotgun now.
Trying to get
Jesus.
rammed here?
Yep.
There we go. That was tense.
Yeah.
See ya.
See ya, John Matrix.
I love
What a name.
Oh my god. I hope that's ironic.
He was born in the Matrix. And they named him John Matrix.
Get it? I'm thinking, yeah. Oh wait, that's the wrong movie. Wrong Keanu movie.
I mean, he just plays Keanu, so.
It's true.
Oh,
Yeah, he's totally funny.
there's a Huey we can try to hit.
Yeah, we should go for that.
Retchery's on my vehicle trying to kill me.
Shoot this heli down with an SKS. Thinking, yeah.
He's on my vehicle, the M60 trying to kill me.
Pull over. Got him! Gotcha, bitch!
The whole team.
I think I took off.
Oh, fuck yeah. That was a good one.